Welcome to Mapping State ACS Data in R with Choroplethr. My name is Ari Lamstein, and in this course, you are going to learn how to make lots of maps just like the one you see here. I'd like to start by explaining the name Choroplethr and where it comes from. Choroplethr is a software package that creates choropleth maps in the R programming language. The map you see here is technically called a choropleth map. A choropleth map is any map that shows regions, in this case US states, and expresses values for those regions through color. This course is broken down into 5 different modules. This first module is the introduction. And I'm going to start the introduction by explaining what you'll learn in the entire course. In the other lessons in this module, we're going to work on setting your computer up so that you can actually follow along with all the exercises in the course. In Module 2, you're going to learn the basics of the Choroplethr package. And you're going to learn how to create maps like this. This is a map of 2012 state population estimates, and as you can see, we've zoomed in on the western part of America. In Module 3, we're going to branch out and start looking at other data sets. Module 3 is called Variables and Vintages. By variables, I mean instead of just looking at state population estimates, we're going to be looking at other variables. For example, per capita income. And by vintages, I mean we're going to learn how to look at data from different years. The final project in this module is the map you see here, which actually shows the percent change in per capita income from 2010 to 2015. In Module 4, we're going to look at a lot of the details of the data that we've been talking about so far. Everyone knows about the decennial census, which is the large census that the Census Bureau conducts every 10 years. But the data that we've been looking at so far does not come from the decennial census. Instead, it comes from what's known as the American Community Survey. And we're going to learn a lot about the ACS in Module 4. Finally, in Module 5, I'll give you pointers on how to learn more. For example, this course only talks about state population estimates. But what if you want to create a map of US counties? In this module, I'll give you pointers on where to go to answer questions just like that.